find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours.
Are you tired of router bits that tear the wood and get dull too fast? Then watch this. This is a spiral flush trim router bit from Find By Tool with a double bearing. It gives you a perfectly clean cut with no tear out, even on complex pieces. 14 replaceable carbide inserts mean longer life and real cost savings. And the double bearing keeps everything stable, so you can work with precision, not guesswork. Working with a domino joiner? Then this set is a must-have. You get 4 cutter sizes for any type of joint. Clean cuts, fast chip removal, and maximum accuracy. Perfect for furniture makers and serious woodworking projects. And most importantly, you can find all of this on Find By Tool. They offer a wide range of woodworking tools you can actually rely on. This is the kind of gear you buy once and use for a long time. No stress. If you want to improve the quality of your work and speed up your workflow, you should definitely check it out. I've left the link in the description. Go take a look for yourself.
one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be